booking?
Yeah, Rebecca.
Do you have a booking?
Do you have a reservation?
Excuse me, do you have a reservation?
Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Party of three for 12.
It's a party of three at 7 o'clock.
Can we get a table for two?
Could we get a table for two, please?
Could we have a table for three, please?
Is there a table by the window?
Can I get you a table by the window?
See if you can get a table by the window.
Time, can we get a table in the corner?
Jenna, can we get a table in the back, please?
Please give us the menu.
Can I have the menu?
My friend would like to see the menu again, please.
Give you boys a minute to look over the menu.
Okay, I'll give you a minute to look over the menu.
Would you like to see a menu now?
Would you like to see the menu?
Start you off with some coffee, orange juice, or hot tea?
Can I start you off with a drink, sir?
Can I start you off with some drinks?
What can I get you to drink?
So what can I get you to drink?
Would you care for a drink, sir?
Would you care for a drink, sir?
All right, I'd like a Coke.
I'd like a Coke, please.
I like a Pepsi.
Bring me a double Jack Daniels on the rocks.
Double scotch on the rocks.
Scotch on the rocks.
7 and 7 for me, and scotch on the rocks for my associate.
You ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
We're ready to order. Also, I think we're ready to order. Can I get you anything else?
Can I get you anything else?
Can I take your order? Hi, can I take your order?
Can I take your order?
May I take your order, ma'am? May I take your order, please?
Any appetizers for you?
Can I get you started with any appetizers or?
Now, can I get you any appetizers, breadsticks?
Would Monsieur care for an aperitif?
Would you gentlemen care for an aperitif?
Would you like to order your entree, sir?
May I bring you the wine list?
And here are the specials of the day. Onion.
I would like to have the specialty of the house.
Specialty tonight is beef stroganoff, but you wouldn't like it.
What's the specialty of the house?
What's special today?
What's today's special?
What's today's special, Mrs. Leslie?
What's today's special?
The specials are listed at the front of the menu.
Can I get a cheeseburger?
Can I get a cheeseburger?
Can I get a cheeseburger, please?
Can I get another one?
I'll have that then, please.
I'll have the omelet and the sliced fruit.
I'll have the soup.
I'll have the soup.
I'll have a soup.
Okay.
I would like a salad niçoise.
Maybe just a side of fries.
Buffalo shrimp with the sauce on the side.
Can I get a cheeseburger deluxe bloody rare with barbecue sauce on the side? A New York rare. And one vegetarian plate, no peppers, no carrots, no onions, sauce on the side.
2 green salads, dressing on the side.
How would you like your steak?
How would you like your steak?
Okay, so how would you like your steak prepared tonight?
Oh, medium rare.
Can I get the steak and eggs and coffee? Hi, I will have the steak, extra onions, and a side of fries, please.
A very good steak, medium rare.
I'll have my medium rare, please.
Medium rare, please.
Medium rare, please.
Medium rare, please, with fries.
Okay, so I'll just take the burger, medium rare, please.
Rare, medium, or well done?
Ribeye, medium rare, with fries.
Will that be all, sir?
Will that be all, sir?
That will be all for now.
That'll be all for now.
Here you are, ladies.
Here you are, ladies.
Here is your drink, ma'am.
Here is your dessert and champagne.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Can I get another one of these?
Can I get another one of these, please?
Can I get another one of these, please?
Can I get a refill, Carol?
Can I get a refill for you?
Can I get a refill, please?
Could I get some more tea?
Excuse me, can I get a refill?
Excuse me, can I get a refill, please?
Greg, can I get a refill, please?
Oh, yeah, and could I get another slice and a big glass with ice?
Daisy, can I get another one of these, please?
Could I get another round and a vodka soda for the lady?
Gee, Scoob, I think it's a little undercooked.
Excuse me, I think mine is a little undercooked.
Alpha, could I get a knife?
And it's a little soggy, to be honest.
Can I bother you for some more napkins, please?
Could I get some extra napkins?
Hey, can I get some extra napkins?
Justina, there's a hair on my foot.
There's a hair in
There's a hair in this!
No, you substitute the tonic for the tequila.
I would love a carrot ginger juice, but could you substitute kale for the spinach, beet for the celery, mango for the apple, lime for the lemon, parsley for the ginger?
And could you substitute feta for gorgonzola, pecans instead of walnuts, apples instead of pears, and cranberries instead of raisins?
Can you Substitute chicken for the steak.
We don't do substitute.
I don't do substitutions. So
I ain't asking you to substitute.
But I will make no substitutions.
no substitutions.
Can I interest you in a dessert this evening?
What would you like for dessert?
What's everyone gonna get for dessert? Gentlemen?
Can I interest you in dessert?
Can I interest you in dessert au chocolat?
There's a blueberry pie with ice cream for dessert.
I guess I'll have the souffle.
Can we have the bill, please?
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 Johnny, can we have the bill, please?
Just bring the bill, please.
Sorry, could I have the bill, please?
Can we get the check, please?
Just the check, please. Thanks.
Just the check, please.
Just the check, please.